I'm pregnant? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Where is the guy in that pregnanted? I know he's here. Huh?
He's here.
Let him come. Why is he trying to tell you to do an abortion? Where is him? Call his name.
Evidence.
Huh?
Evidence.
Evi, come. Have I talked to you before?
No, sir.
How do I know you are pregnant and your man is here?
I don't know.
You don't know? Let him come. Evi. Somebody shout DH 2024.
DH 2024.
Where are those that are ready for DH? 13, 14, 15. He go Shelle for here. He go Otwala for here. DH 2024. Evi. Call him again.
Evidence.
Has he run? I am calling him to come for his own good. Huh?
He's sitting at the back.
Huh?
He's sitting at the back.
Someone that is sitting at the back will have come since that time. Let him come, let him come, let him come. I want to help you. Come. I will help two of you to marry. Come. Where is the boy? Go and point him to us. Jebono. Swear. Gasi kenne.
What wrong made us up with somebody? What wrong made us up with somebody?
Are you the evidence? And they come. If you don't come. Which state do you come from?
Imo State.
Where do you come from?
Benue State.
Benue. Okwadele bone to ni no ni se ni shi ni sa ni sato ni tenani ni. So there will be no abortion. Do you agree? Huh?
Yes.
There cannot be abortion. Do you want to marry her or you don't want to marry her? Huh?
I want to marry her.
You want to marry her?
Yes.
Where the two of you see yourself?
Okay, from Computer Village.
Computer Village?
Yes.
Ikeja?
Yes.
Where did you pregnant her? Huh?
At my place.
How many rooms do you have? Huh?
For now, I don't have a room. I stay in my brother's place.
Okay, you pregnanted her inside your brother's house. You don't have a house, you are pregnanting a girl. If you now have 3 rooms or 2 rooms, it will turn to hotel. So what do you want now?
I want to settle down with her, but I'm still working towards it.
Okay, go and tell me what it takes to marry her. And you come with a list. Huh?
Okay, sir.
I want to help 2 of you so that there will be no abortion. It's not good to kill an innocent baby. Oh?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So you meet 2 of you will meet Christian. Huh? Know what it takes. Do you want to marry him?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because he's my dream man.
Huh?
Because he's my dream man.
Your dream man.
Yes, sir.
What do you like about him?
I like him. He's an hardworking man, and he cares for me a lot. I cannot deny.
Are you not aware that sex before marriage is wrong? So it's wrong. Now I want to support you of it because of innocent baby. But it is wrong to be having sex when you are not married. Okay, 2 of you should come inside and meet Christian, and we will support 2 of you. God bless you. No fornication again. Or until 2 of you are married. Your business, though. People never get money, they look for woman bum. The first thing will be to hustle for money before going to woman. Woman shouldn't be your headache now. Where do you come from in Imo State?
I come from Omozu. That is a Wangele local government.
Wangele. So may God bless 2 of you. So meet Christian. Let's know how to assist 2 of you. But no abortion. We agree, right?
Yes, sir.
So anytime I look for this baby, I should call police for you.
Yes.
Okay. God bless 2 of you. Bring 2 of them for now. Give them 200,000 first. You are pregnant. Come and bring her up. Make it 300. It's okay. Okay, I will assist 2 of you here. No abortion. Oh?
The truth is that Evangelist Ebuka-Obi, they try. This man, they try. The most thing that touched me in this video is that child where Evangelist Ebuka-Obi tell them, make them not remove that child. That is one of the things that touched me in this video. That child where Evangelist Ebuka-Obi tell them, make them not remove him. Because the man is frustrated. You don't have any place to stay. God will bless Evangelist Ebuka-Obi. I'm telling you the truth. God will bless him. God will bless him. God will bless him. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless you.